Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 13th October. On the front page you have this news, Air India plane flies 4 hours with ruptured belly, lands safely. So this is an Air India Express aircraft which hit the boundary wall of Tiruchi airport while taking off, which ruptured its belly, but it landed safely. So this was a disaster averted. Then this is business related news, economy related news, which would be detailed out on the economy page. Inflation up, industrial output slows. And this is panel to study issues raised by hashtag #MeTooIndia. So Ministry of Women and Child Development will constitute a group of legal experts to look into these issues of sexual harassment and sexual abuse raised by women from various states. Then on page 5 you have this news, the Supreme Court refuses to stay grant to Puja panels. So this is what was there in news yesterday. The Durga Puja panels are being provided grants by West Bengal government. So the Supreme Court has refused to stay this grant, that there should be a stay order on this grant. And also here is Supreme Court stays High Court ban on fatwas. So this is the High Court ban which was placed on fatwas. The Uttarakhand High Court had ordered ban. Supreme Court has stayed this order now. Then this is, do you want a country of vegetarians? So this is a Supreme Court bench confronting petitioners seeking ban on meat trade. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial and by extension. So this is regarding NRC, National Register of Citizens. So NRC exercise has been, in its final phases in Assam, and now Tripura is also demanding an NRC. So this editorial discusses that. The second editorial is regarding Brazil's elections. Bolsonaro's Brazil. So this is regarding the country's political economy looking all set for a rightward shift. And the lead article is reading between the rankings. So this is, it says a university's culture is its most valuable resource. Feeding a repressive culture bodes ill for India. So what's happening in universities in the country is detailed here. Then the next article is as the rupee spins downwards. So this is regarding how rupee is having a slide now against the dollar. So it says the government's measures for arresting the rupee slide have failed. The approach needs a rethink. And on Saturdays on the op-ed page there is a ground zero coverage. So this is a parched land in a sea of sewage. So this is regarding Kolar district in Karnataka. So this is a water-starved region. Farmers need water here. So there was this KC Valley project which was inaugurated recently. So this was to supply treated sewage water from Bengaluru. So farmers were delighted with this inauguration, but then things went horribly wrong in July 2018 when the pipeline began to spew out raw sewage, and it has contaminated the land, the lakes and the groundwater. Then on page 9 you have this news, Supreme Court must set an example on backlog, says RM Lodha. So this is former CJI giving a statement. So in the context that present CJI Justice Ranjan Gogoi advised High Courts to tackle backlog of cases. So the former CJI says that charity begins at home. The Supreme Court should tackle backlog of cases and set an example. Then this is overhaul GDP norms, MPs. So this is Estimates Committee of Parliament which says it does the present GDP norms do not reflect ground reality. So there needs to be an overhaul. And this is mission to sequence genes of a large group of Indians. So Prime Minister's STIAC, the body, is has taken a decision at its first meeting to sequence genes for Indians. And this is PM to pay working visit to Japan. So this is with bullet train project on agenda that a visit to Japan would be conducted. Then on international page you have this news, Conde wins Alternative Nobel. So this is regarding the author whose writing is described as precise and overwhelming. So he has won the Alternative Nobel as such. Then on the business page you have this news, factory growth slows to 10-month low. So as was mentioned on the front page. So this is detailed out here. And then this is on page 12, this is Bandhan Bank gets exemption. So we had seen Bandhan Bank had not fulfilled RBI criteria as it should for a bank. So it has been given an exemption now. And this is regarding Tata Sky Sony Pictures dispute. That is not so important now. We have already discussed it. Then on the last page, you have this news. C-section use doubled in India between 2005 and 2015. So this is a study published in Lancet. So these are the important headlines. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our course. The details are provided here. And also you can visit our website www.aashah.com, where current affairs is uploaded daily. So in the current affairs section, you can download the daily PDFs also of complete news and other coverage by the end of the day. So that is it. Thank you.